and one can just live in the woods for a week.
Put to sleep, yeah.
Seriously, we could do as many as y'all want. And any damages to the yard, we'll have a bill ready for you to get back.
Wow.
I'll call us complete.
Then y'all get Joby. Or Lucy.
Joby's the digger.
They've all been digging.
Well, you see, that's the thing. We don't really like to put our dogs in the yard. We were hoping y'all could take all 3 of them and promise not to put them outside.
But they prefer to sleep in the bed.
Yeah, they have to provide bedding.
Underneath, on the pillow.
That could probably be fine.
There.
There you
So
go.
we'll trade y'all Apollo for Joby.
Oh, boy, is Julie angry. Let me get that look, Julie. Are you mad? Are you furious?
I just don't know. You should.
Do what you gotta do.
Yeah, it was not polite.
Come here, Lee.
James wants you to do it to him, and you can feel free to.
No, you can't. No, you'll be uncomfortable.
I will.
Seriously.
Poor Joby.
Marion, I could get some good HDRs here because it would bring with the low exposures, get the sand. Wish I could bring my
Hey, you're trapped.
Y'all, we gotta come one time when I can bring my camera.
Why couldn't you bring your camera?
I'm just scared. I'm really scared.
Jacob!
Chop your toe off. Chop your other toe off. Okay, well, tell me when I get it. Keep it closer.
I don't think he is.
Hey, someone flip. We can get some money on American Funniest Home Videos.
We flip. We just flip. Y'all are joining us. Penny, stay.
Can y'all push us?
Yeah.
We got it.
Okay. Careful. Y'all are doing good.
What you want me to do?
You talk too fast.
I want you to take me down real. What you want me to do? There's nothing I could have done about that. We were going into the trees. I'd rather run in the grass than trees. Oh, it's got in the trees.
Hey.
It's like y'all got wet.
Yeah,
a little bit.
yeah.
Right there.
Good place to be.
Yeah. I figured I may as well make something out of our accident.
Alright.
Hey. I think the others are shortly behind me.
We're okay right now. Let's go ahead and get in when we can.
Yeah. This is Penny. Penny's. Wait, we've got to get Penny's trip. Okay. This is Penny's trip.
Penny was scared, boy.
She was.
Yeah.
I didn't even know.
Look, get where we topped.
We think we jumped there. We're not really sure. It was quite exciting. If only I had it on video.
We wouldn't have a camera to show it.
Alright. I'm shaking over that tump. Alright now, let me get
Stuart and Julie.
Wait, let me just get this. Hold on, James. Did you get, I gave you your cypress leaf, right? Oh, boy.
Right here?
Who is that? Is that Lucy or Apollo?
Right here?
Whoa, she jumped.
Right here now?
Yeah, don't
Penny,
leave
just
it.
stay in
It's
there.
on the
Stay.
ground.
Stay. Stay.
I hope we don't have another
Get in
flip.
the boat ready.
Okay.